In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to build better product content for your Shopify dropshipping store. To get started, open ChatGPT and clearly describe your Shopify dropshipping niche. Be specific about the type of products you want to sell, who your target customer is, and the style or brand feeling you want your store to have. The more context you give, the better the output will be. For example, instead of giving a broad category, explain the problem your products solve and the kind of customer experience you want to create. This helps ChatGPT generate ideas that are more aligned with your business goals. Once that's done, ask ChatGPT to suggest potential winning products for your niche. This is a great way to brainstorm items that may have strong appeal, solve common problems, or stand out in a crowded market. As you review the suggestions, focus on products that feel practical, useful, and easy to market. You want products that can be explained quickly and that have clear value for the customer. After choosing a product direction, use ChatGPT to create product titles and descriptions. This part is important because strong copy can make your store look more professional and persuasive. Ask for titles that sound clean and marketable, and descriptions that highlight what the product does, who it's for, and why it matters. Good descriptions should be easy to read and focused on benefits, not just features. Next, ask ChatGPT for ad copy, social media captions, and email marketing ideas. This gives you a full set of promotional content that matches your product and brand voice. You can use these ideas as a starting point, then adjust them to fit different platforms and audiences. Keeping your messaging consistent across your marketing can make your store feel more trustworthy and memorable. From there, create your product pages inside Shopify. As you build those pages, add clear benefits, frequently asked questions, and trust building details. This is where you help customers feel confident enough to buy. Benefits show why the product matters. FAQs reduce hesitation, and trust elements help people feel safer making a purchase. You can also use ChatGPT to create customer service replies. This is especially helpful for common questions about shipping, product use, returns, or order updates. Having ready-to-use responses can save time and help you communicate more clearly with customers. Finally, track your sales performance and improve your store copy based on the results. Pay attention to which products get clicks, which pages convert, and where customers drop off. Then use those insights to refine your titles, descriptions, and marketing messages so your store keeps getting better over time.